Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best organic baby lotion available right now, the new Boutìq Organic Vegan Baby Lotion. Whether you're a new parent, a gift giver, or simply looking to upgrade your baby's skincare routine, this product is absolutely worth your attention. Let's get into it. At first glance, the sleek biodegradable bottle hints at the care and eco-consciousness behind this lotion. It comes in a 10.6 fluid ounces pack. That's 300 grams, and while the packaging looks premium, it's also planet-friendly. This isn't just baby lotion. It's a blend of nature's best, tailored for your little one's delicate skin. One of the star ingredients in this lotion is calendula. Now, if you're not familiar, calendula is a gentle botanical extract known for its anti-inflammatory and skin-soothing properties. It's often used to calm diaper rashes, dry patches, and irritation. In this formula, it supports natural skin moisture, helping maintain a soft, supple texture without leaving any greasy residue. But the sensory experience doesn't stop there. This lotion is also infused with lavender extract, a beloved natural scent often associated with calming and sleep. And that's exactly what this lotion is intended to promote. When used before bedtime, the soothing lavender aroma helps babies relax, making it easier to transition into a restful night's sleep. If you're looking for something to incorporate into your nightly routine, this might just be the secret weapon. Beyond calendula and lavender, this lotion is enriched with a nourishing blend of sunflower seed oil, grapeseed extract, and vitamin E. These ingredients are known for locking in hydration, repairing dry skin, and delivering antioxidants that protect the skin barrier. The result? Skin that's not only moisturized but genuinely healthy. Application is simple. After bath time or before bed, gently massage the lotion into your baby's skin. It absorbs quickly, without feeling sticky or heavy. You'll notice how soft the skin becomes, and how quickly it can soothe redness or sensitivity. It's mild enough for everyday use, even on newborns. And here's a big win for parents who read labels closely. New Boutìq's formula contains no parabens, no phthalate, and no phenoxyethanol. These are common additives in many skincare products, but they can irritate sensitive skin, especially in babies. New Boutìq skips them entirely, which makes it a safer choice you can feel confident using daily. What also makes this lotion stand out is its adaptability. Though it's marketed for babies, the ingredient list makes it great for toddlers, kids, and even adults with sensitive skin. The scent is subtle, the feel is luxurious, and it genuinely performs like a high-end skincare product, but with the safety and purity that baby care demands. If you're a conscious shopper, you'll also appreciate that this product comes from a small business brand. Supporting them means investing in quality over mass production, with a more personal, thoughtful approach to product development. So who is this lotion for? It's for the new parent seeking organic solutions. For the caregiver looking to calm a fussy baby. For anyone who wants to hydrate and protect delicate skin using clean, plant-based ingredients. To sum it up, the new Boutìq Organic Vegan Baby Lotion is more than a moisturizer. It's a wellness ritual wrapped in an eco-conscious package. It soothes, hydrates, and helps babies sleep, all without harsh chemicals. That's why we're naming it the best organic baby lotion today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more clean and conscious product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we cut through the noise so you can shop smart. See you next time.